Hello brothers and sisters, good morning. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more of horizontal long form videos with this camera, and I was thinking of like traveling, maybe going to the high mountains right now, 3 hours away from my city. So, let's go brother. Bless and love. So nakapangita na kog foods dire. Unahan lang siya gamay atong tugbok. I'm not sure kung asa ni located, pero nindot ba kay makita nimo dako kay mga kawa nila, so sure na lami gyud nila mga sabaw dire. So nag-order na kog munggos og manok, tapos nangayo lang kog sabaw. Bless and love, let's go. So hello brothers and sisters, we have just traveled for maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and we have a very nice view out there, brother. Look at that, brother. Oh wow, that's all mountains right there, as you can see. All blessed and loved, no? So kakastart lang natin sa ating travel. We're not even far yet, but we can already see fogs, and the mountains is really nice. By so blessed to be traveling by, having the freedom on your own pace. So let's go by, let's see more. Brother, bless and love. Okay, let's go. So hello brothers and sisters, nanata karon sa Buda Marilog, and as you can see, oh, there's an eagle by, look, there's an eagle, look at that, makita ba yun? Ayun, no, may eagle. So as I was saying, naanak ko sa Buda Marilog, and it's been raining since yesterday. Mao nang fogs karon, pero nindot kayo bay, kay bugnaw kayo bisag it's afternoon, mag 12 na ata. I'm not sure what time is it, time check, it's 9 AM, and still by wala pa ring init, tapos sigig fogs. Ganahan pod ko bay kay gwapo pod ang view, oh, as you can see by nindot kayong view by, blessed kayo na lugar. And hapit na ko sa akong destination, mga pilang ko siguro dito, si Kuate Suman. And just enjoy the ride, ano. Balanse lang as always by brothers and sister. Thank you and peace. Ning shop na niyon, si pangalan sa shop?
Copy boss ba?
Cafe Boss. So niyata karon sa Cafe Boss. Inong tagon sa tsokolate.
Brother, ipang suman brother.
Oh, naman.
Matik na.
Oh.
Saka cappuccino, saka pwede.
So kung mo mag road trip mo, padulong mo Buddha, na diri Cafe Boss, na sila'y suman o
Sino, Spanish.
sila'y kape. Then ulan jud, gwapong weather karon. Nalampasan na day nako ang Apple Falls. Nara day dito sa unahan. Dito unta akong pansa. So mga magkunsa sa ako dire, mag tsokolate sa ako dire. Tapos testingan na to maligo dito. So hello brothers and sisters. Ni ana ta karon sa, actually I'm not sure saan ang location ko, but I was thinking of Apple Falls and I was asking the locals sa taas doon sa highway. Sabi nila dito daw pero walang signage dito bay, tapos wala na, puros na nature pababa. 1 minute pa lang hike ko pero wala ng tao. So hopefully maabot ako doon sa falls. Feeling ko lang kasi 2 years ago I've been to Apple Falls but hindi ko na masyado kabisado, but I feel like this road is going down there. But adventure tayo ba? We'll see kung maabot ba talaga tayo doon kasi I wanna swim saglit sa falls, no? Be in nature, blessed and love. Let's go, adventure. So sensing sa aking spider sense, you can hear the water. I think there's water flowing down there. So I think tama nga talaga ako by nandito ang falls. I just need to go down there more. I can hear it here. So let's go. So hello brothers and sisters. Nahanap ta karon sa falls and mag-dip ta diri bay, bless kaayo kay mingaw bay walay tao. Tapos presko pa kayo ang tubig. Bless and love. Let's go. So nothing to be scared by if you're in nature by. It's really peaceful, pero you still need to be aware because you know pag nasa nature ka bay, there's no laws here bay, there's no police, so it's your own police bay. Kailangan marunong ka maniid sa surrounding mo if ever feeling safe ka, no? Ma-feel mo man yan bay, marinig mo man yan kung feeling mo naka-trespass ka or someone is looking at you bay. So dapat magaling ka pa rin, wise ka pa rin, but when you're here bay, pag feeling mo okay ka na bay, start ka na, malapit ka sa nature, bless and love. Peace.